Good day, everyone. Today, we will be giving you a guide on how to get started in the online coaching business. Without further ado, let's get started. Online coaching is a form of coaching that takes place remotely, typically through digital platforms such as video conferencing, email, or messaging apps. It allows individuals to receive guidance, support, and mentorship from a coach regardless of their physical location. Online coaching offers flexibility and convenience, as sessions can be scheduled to accommodate the client's and coach's availability, eliminating the need for in-person meetings. Through online coaching, coaches can work with clients across different geographical locations, expanding their reach and impact. The coaching process remains similar to traditional coaching, where the coach helps clients set goals, overcome challenges, and develop strategies for personal or professional growth. The coach and client communicate through video calls or written messages, sharing insights, asking powerful questions, and providing guidance to facilitate the client's progress. Online coaching also enables clients to access a broader range of coaching expertise, as they are not limited to coaches in their local area. Additionally, it allows for more flexibility in terms of scheduling, making it easier for individuals with busy lifestyles to fit coaching sessions into their routines. Overall, online coaching harnesses the power of technology to connect coaches and clients, providing an accessible and efficient means of personal and professional development. Getting started in online coaching can be an exciting and fulfilling venture. Here are some steps to help you begin. Define your coaching niche. Determine the specific area in which you want to provide coaching. It could be career coaching, life coaching, health and wellness coaching, business coaching, or any other field of expertise you have. Identify your target audience. Determine who your ideal clients are. Consider their demographics, goals, and challenges. Understanding your target audience will help you tailor your coaching services and marketing efforts. Develop your coaching skills. Ensure you have the necessary skills and knowledge to be an effective coach in your chosen niche. This may involve acquiring relevant certifications, attending workshops or seminars, or pursuing further education in your field. Build your online presence. Establish a professional online presence to attract potential clients. Create a website or a dedicated landing page that highlights your coaching services, experience, testimonials, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms to engage with your audience and share valuable content. Set clear coaching packages and pricing. Define your coaching packages and pricing structure. Determine the duration and frequency of coaching sessions, the resources you will provide, and any additional services you may offer. Be clear and transparent about your pricing to avoid any misunderstandings. Create compelling content. Share valuable content related to your coaching niche through blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media. This helps establish you as an authority in your field and attracts potential clients. Market your coaching services. Develop a marketing strategy to reach your target audience. Utilize online marketing techniques such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media advertising, content marketing, and email marketing. Networking with other professionals in your field and participating in relevant online communities can also be beneficial. Leverage technology. Utilize online coaching platforms, video conferencing tools, and other technology to conduct your coaching sessions remotely. Ensure you have a reliable internet connection, a quiet and professional space, and any necessary coaching tools or resources. Offer a free consultation or discovery call. Provide potential clients with an opportunity to connect with you and understand how you can help them. Offering a free consultation or discovery call allows you to assess their needs, answer their questions, and showcase your coaching style. Continuously improve and learn. Stay updated with the latest trends, research, and methodologies in your coaching niche. Seek feedback from your clients and be open to ongoing learning and professional development opportunities. Remember, building a successful coaching practice takes time, effort, and persistence. Stay focused, maintain a positive mindset, and provide high-quality coaching to your clients. If you liked this video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up icon. Consider subscribing as well and click the bell icon for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.